So I'm going to show you a quick scalp here that capitalizes on the fact that other participants get trapped at a certain price level. This could be used as a scalp or it can be used as a swing. Either way it works. Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So just to set this up, what's happened is I should say it's been a very low volatility week. The market, the ES has been extremely thick. So I've adjusted my footprint chart on the right to be a 6-tick point and figure or 6-tick reversal rather than 10-tick, which just allows me to see a little bit more detail when we are chopping about in ranges. So what's happened is we chopped a little bit after the open. We've kind of come down and we made a new low here right around 63.25. People were selling that, and you can see that by that little volume lobe or mini volume node on the footprint chart. There were still buyers there, and so basically I'm anticipating those sellers getting trapped in this trade. So they sold, and now it's pushing up, and I marked on my dome this key level at 65.50, which is the high of the previous footprint chart bar here, just basically right above the open. And so what I'm anticipating is that if it pushes above that, then the sellers that sold down here, between 64 and 63.25, those guys are going to be forced to cover their positions, and that's going to create a little push up. I don't anticipate a huge push up here. In the end, it ended up going a little bit farther than I was anticipating. I was thinking probably 66.5 or 66.75. So if I was expecting a larger push, I would have probably put on more contracts and scaled out. But since this thing has been so slow and so choppy, I was just anticipating a little push here. So what happens is that's working out. If it didn't work out, then I just cut the trade at a tick or two loss. But that's working out. And then I try to get filled there at 66.50, and I kind of get lucky. I actually get filled at 66.75, so I get an extra tick out of it, and then it moves up a little bit more.